Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. I found a common question from my students is, how do I accurately reference a book in my assignments and dissertations using the Harvard style? And how do I format it correctly in my references list? Well, in this video, I'll quickly break it down to make it easy for you, ensuring that you get good marks for your referencing. Before we dive in, I'd love you to hit the subscribe button and drop a comment below. Let me know what else you'd like me to produce for this channel so that I can tailor the content for your needs. Now, to begin with, referencing a book might seem daunting, but it's actually pretty straightforward. In this video, I'll focus on the Harvard referencing system for books. If you're curious about other forms of referencing, wait till the end of the video where I'll provide links to earlier videos that show you other forms of referencing using the Harvard system. Referencing is crucial for several reasons. Firstly, it's about crediting others when you use their work to avoid any perception of dishonesty. Secondly, it provides readers of your work with a pathway to the sources that you've used, enhancing the transparency of your work. Finally, accurate referencing showcases your wider reading to the marker and shows that you're willing to go beyond the assigned materials, demonstrating that you want to develop strong critical thinking skills and have a genuine enthusiasm for your subject. To cite your references within your text, there's two ways of doing this using the Harvard referencing style. The first way is by mentioning the author, putting the date of the publication. So for example, let's say you want to reference The Happiness Hypothesis by Jonathan Haidt. You would write the name of the author Haidt and the date the book was published, which was 2006. So to reference this, you can write Haidt brackets 2006, demonstrates that you can combine ancient wisdom and philosophy and put it to the test by using modern science techniques. The second way is by paraphrasing. From the book, you might find some information that you want to discuss, analyze, or critique. And after paraphrasing it, you want to end that sentence by highlighting the place where that information came from. So in my example, what I've done is I've taken the information from the book, which is fine, and then I put it into my own words and adapted it to try to explain my point and at the same time illustrate the source of my information and where the ideas I'm discussing came from. In this case, Haidt, 2006. Now, if there's only one author, then you only have to put Haidt 2006. But let's say you have more than one author. If you have up to 3 authors, you could write all their names in this way: Ferguson, Cooner, and Beddoe 2024. If you have more than 3 authors, you would write Cooner et al. 2023. All the references you use in your work should be referenced at the end of your paper. So create a subtitle saying references or bibliography. The first thing you need to do to reference a book is have the author's name. You then write down the date of the publication in brackets followed by a full stop. You then add the full title of the book in italics and then add a full stop. You then add the edition number if there is one, then include the place of publication followed by a colon and the name of the publisher. If you have more than one author, then you just write down all the authors' names. Before the last name, you put an and there you have it. You've finished writing your book references. Thank you for staying with me up to this point. Getting your references right is important for a number of reasons. It can help you improve your academic grades because you're crediting the right people for their work, pointing the readers to the original sources of the evidence, and finally, by demonstrating wider reading, you can develop your knowledge and skills of critical thinking and analysis. I hope you found this guide useful. Don't forget to share your thoughts and questions in the comments box below. Click here to access my video showing you how to reference a journal article. Do make sure to subscribe, like, and share for more videos. I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.